students of MN 6142. Welcome to almost this last week of our online teaching learning process. To this lecture number 35, I think, and all the procedures of whether as planned, whatever assignments, evaluation, everything is supposed to be done. And yesterday, it was an extra class. As you see here, extra classes were conducted for other group, underground coal mining methods, so that almost they completed only 2-3 classes sufficient over the total syllabus. Their assignments, presentations, evaluation, everything was done. And I hope you, being the seniors to those junior batches, you must have understood all the instructions and prepared accordingly. Now let us continue. Let me know, let me take attendance first. Let me know whether my voice is audible to you or not. Number one.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Very good. So I have taken attendance. And now you are here to coordinate so that up to 12th March, we have to complete all the assignments to be presented on the topic of your interest on this learning based education, NEP 2020 policy we followed. And accordingly, if required, maybe 5, 6, 2, 3, 4 extra classes also you can plan. And now let me share the slides, and then later after 20 minutes or whatever, your CR will coordinate telling about the latest status and then other presentations. Now we have 3 CRs, class representatives, one from MTech side and one from the BTech side and one from our beloved executive PhD scholars. So that will be a very good experience for everybody. And I hope, I am sure you must have done excellent literature survey and prepared the technical paper improving your skills in an international journal formats, and you have that confidence to explain what you collected and what you understood to everybody as again a skill of your Atmanirbhar Bharat, whatever you say. Now I'm sharing the slides. Let me know whether it is visible to you, then we will continue. Somebody should respond to me, then only I can continue. So this will be
it's visual.
Strata control. Now I am making it full screen. So welcome to our lecture number 35, and we may need some more extra classes that your CR along with all your team, you decide yourself as we did it. Already I have shown you for our other batches. 3-4 hours, 3-4 extra classes were taken yesterday and Sunday, and almost part of that syllabus is completed, and all their assignments were also presented. Few left, that's all. Now we have been discussing about our strata management plan is also one of the very important issue to be covered. And instead of telling any theory from the books just like that, I am giving you from some of the investigations in the mines, and we should know before that what are the objectives of the strata management plan, and it is to measure and assess the pressure and convergence. This is as far as our longwall mining. I told you that our future is longwall as far as underground coal mining is concerned, because you will be going into deeper and more deeper horizons. So when you are going in depth beyond 600, 700, even 1 kilometer, 1.2 kilometer, you are supposed to extract. You know the status of reserves and the position you learned in the previous semesters, as we have, whether it is even the pillars also are supposed to be extracted by longwall mining, for better recovery. So many things we are supposed to do, and that requires one of the best data control engineers to take up that issues, understanding the practical problems. So this is for the longwall mining. These objectives of strata management plan is to measure and assess the pressure and convergence of that power supports, whatever we are using, whether it is 800-ton capacity, or when we started it was 2 to 50 tons capacity, but now even we are going up to 1200 tons capacity. So all these things are supposed to be measured and assessed, and to also measure and assess the convergence and rate of convergence of strata at the gate roads, that is already one main gate and tail gate, because all the persons, our equipment and main equipment is there, that is to drive your chalk shield supports or the shearer, whatever it is, all are there in the main gate, and fuel in the tail gate. All those things are supposed to be assessed. Then to measure and assess the strata dilation in the GOF and at the gates also. Dilation here, you can understand when I say convergence, this is a convergence in the gate roads. Other dilation means that is a behavior in the roof, sag, so many things happening, caving characteristics, all those things will come into that. Then assess the GOF compaction and status of GOF in respect of overhang, as we understood nicely when we discussed about the design of supports. What is the main role of this overhang, which is playing a role in the behavior of the chalk shields and the requirement of the support capacity also. So we should understand this and assess, and that is a strata management plan is required for that, and overhang of the strata and filling of the GOF. And also we have to assess the effect of surface blasting for induced caving as far as the difficult caved roofs are concerned, overlying roof or the nether roof or whatever the roof of caving methods of mining, and especially longwall. We have seen how induced caving was done. So we are supposed to assess its effects also for a better support and strata interaction at the face and in advanced gate roads also, and assess the subsidence profile and rate of subsidence for determination of the overhang. Already you have seen why and how subsidence is supposed to be monitored on the surface. That is generally at around 30-meter interval we have some type of a grids prepared, and then also beyond the barrier on the surface also, projection on the surface also we have to monitor, because when there is a subsidence, when it is a long wall panel, then the subsidence will not be vertically something like this. There is a positive angle of draw where this subsidence on the surface, if it is a surface, so that will be with maybe 10 degree, 15 degree, 17 degree, whatever. That is a range around from the vertical you will be getting a angle of draws. Then so you are supposed to monitor subsidence beyond the barrier also. Then physical observation of GOF and face to see strata support response at the face and the gate roads, and also to design the optimum support for advanced gate roads. Suppose if you observed by measuring load how much is coming on your design support, then in the future you will be changing that. Changing in the sense, suppose the support capacity or what you use is some X, or since we are talking about the gate roads, they are about 50-ton hydraulic props are generally used. So that means there are hydraulic props, 2 hydraulic props, and over these 2 hydraulic props we are having a bar, or there may be so many types, even wire meshing and then rope bolting, resin bolting, even cable bolting, so many things. And just to understand, if there are 50-ton capacity hydraulic props you are using on the sides, both sides of the like this, then what you do is this one, it is 50 ton throughout the life of that panel. If you observe that load coming on that, then already you are seeing with a load cell how how to monitor. Already I have shown you at that time. Since it is a right time, I should also show once again. So these are the load cells. These are installed under the prop or the over the prop, and this is the way how we are monitoring how much load is coming. If that is the case, then if load coming is only 10 tons, then now you can easily infer or conclude or understand that this type of support need not be required. This much support resistance or capacity of 50 ton may not be required. Even 20 ton or 30 ton hydraulic prop itself is sufficient with more than 2 or 2.5 safety factor. That is the meaning of this. This is the way how you do that. That's what is your observational approaches compared to any approaches of designing, whether it is support, strata, behavior, even understanding that behavior by modeling and all. Ultimately, your observations are more important, and that is the reason why in geotechnology, geomechanics, or rock mechanics, unlike solid mechanics, we depend on observational approaches universally or internationally, whatever may be the situation, whether it is civil engineering application or mining engineering application or any excavation for that matter. Dealing with the mother earth, right? There is a certain uncertainty of the data to any equation, whatever you use. So that will not work well, and you have to calibrate it. Now, determine the warning and withdrawal limit of the convergence velocity, strata dilation, and stress levels at the face and gate road for safe withdrawal of the men and machineries, unless you as a strata control engineer ensure by your design, by your monitoring, and by your way of providing the data and then online data. Nowadays we are going with the online data acquisition systems and then giving some type of warning when there is some unforeseen situations like more velocity increasing more than this much, maybe the strain increasing more than this, then there may be some impending falls. Then that type of indication when you give, we can save the men and machinery or withdraw those people at that time. And that is the purpose of a strata control engineer, my beloved students. Now, in case of withdrawal of persons and situation is of that level, detailed evaluation of the condition shall be done and redeployment of persons shall be done. This is what we take as an inference and understand the behavior, then we will take the decisions. And ultimately, you should also learn as a part of our strata control technology. That's what I kept in the last module. So we will not enter into last module. That we do it after completion of all your assignments, presentations, including MTechs and BTechs and then PhD scholars. Those who are there, total around 60 with extra classes, whatever you plan for, then we will go to that last module. Unless you do that, there is no point in going to that, and you cannot understand how to prepare those things also if you cannot understand the instruction to prepare a simple assignment. Now, this is for that purpose of strata management plan, lot of instrumentation required. You can see here, whether it is a pressure gauge, continuous pressure recorders, and then convergence measurement by tape also. There are so many ways how it is monitored. Then you can also see some other instrumentation, right? And whatever strata control instrumentation and observations were carried out to determine support, strata interaction at the longwall panel and advanced gate roads in this mine. So I will be showing you all the details here. What was done? Some important points you may note down. This instrumentation at the face was with all the pressure gauges and online and peak pressure, because there are so many ways of collecting the data. It can be on Chinese longwall or the long panels from different countries, whatever we imported. There are different ways. Even nowadays we are having online monitoring systems also. But we are also working with our group of transdisciplinary, translational, industry-oriented research and academics, already I told you, TTIORA, right? So with all the groups of computer science, electronics, and all these groups since 2006, we have been trying to develop this type of systems shortly you will be seeing those things of Make India, Startup India, Stand Up India, or NEP 2020. Then pressure experienced by the power supports. With the time, all those things are supposed to be monitored. And the advanced gallery and the gate roads, as I have shown you, different type of instruments. There's a load cells, that is to understand the change in the strata load, or it can be convergence indicators. It can be measured by different type. That is the reason why I kept some of the instruments here itself, so that it is easy for you, for me also, to show while discussion. And then even this pressure gauge, pressure experienced by the power support at the advanced galleries, telltales, then immediate roof movement. Already you have seen so many types of telltales I have shown at that time, and these are some of the even automatic auto warning telltales are also there, where it is you are able to see. This is telltales and all those instruments, right? Then stress capsules, already I have shown you. This is why I'm showing again and again is, so whenever you talk about any strata control or strata control cell, geotechnical cell, safety department, whatever, you will be absorbed in the field if you are really interested to contribute something to our mining technology or geomechanics or geotechnology, rock mechanics. You should be knowing about all these details. That's what is very much required. And then other instruments like earth pressure cell are also there, and already I have shown, but that earth pressure cell I have not kept. I am in online class. We'll discuss after 2 hours. Then GOF compaction pressure. So this is a earth pressure cell. Also, majority of our students have seen that earth pressure cell. And then you have at the surface over the panel what you are supposed to monitor, my beloved students of MN6142 strata control technology, is now you have to monitor the subsidence measurement, whether it is with stowing or backfilling or with some other methods of mining by caving. You are supposed to ensure, if it is backfilling, even if there may be some movements on the surface depending on the depth cover, already I told you about that. And then borehole extensometers, already you have seen, of course, in the borehole extensometers also you'll be using this type of sensors of vibrating wire type and all, and these are connected, as we have seen. Of course, some of you students are there, then you must have seen this type of instruments already. And then there are ground vibration measurement at the surface as well. If there may be some underground, I am an online class, we will discuss after 2 hours. So ground vibration measurements at the surface as well as in underground during that to induced surface blasting over gored out area in the panel for stabilizing of GOF. So already you have seen, I don't know, I was presenting in some international webinars as well as yesterday also, while giving some type of, it can be considered as a coaching or technology exchange program to the first class mine manager aspirants, along with some directors and other people, the Director General of Mine Safety, very senior officials. I was also showing all these informations as well as strata control technology. Those who passed first class and appearing for the oral examination now within maybe few days. So there also I explained all those things. And then monitoring there, what we are doing, reading from pressure gauges which are fitted already, they are installed, commissioned with different type. There are different type, but in this mine, this is with an indicator needles, one for online and other for peak pressure has been taken in each ship. And in majority of the cases in the beginning also, when we introduced, whether it is in GDK 7 incline in Singareni collieries, when we were working with our beloved Professor R.D. Singh sir, already I told you in 1980s, right? So from that days itself, so still now also we are maintaining the records in such a way that in each ship they will be taking in the bound page record book, they will be maintaining that in addition to whatever the online data or the soft copy, whatever you have. and in each shift during normal pressure and then waiting periods with reference to the system pressure, whatever. Then reading has been taken with respect to the phase advance, its time, date, shift, whatever. Then simultaneous load and convergence measurements are also to be taken at the gate roads, and then automatic pressure recorders are also provided in adequate number of powered supports in order to monitor the continuous pressure profile of these leg circuits, because that also gives you some type of already I tried to show in the previous classes also the total cycle, how it happens, and I've given some references in the text, or I think in the syllabus also it seems, otherwise also you can note down where we have done extensive this type of monitoring in 1989-90, that time itself, in some international collaborative projects. You please note down, right? Projects with CDF France, whether it is a blasting gallery panel, or since we are talking about the long wall in East Katras, panel number 3D, 3E1, E2, whatever, right? We have been doing that exercise, and that was also published in, you note down, International Conference on Thick Seam Mining by Dr. T.N. Singh Saab, and with whom we were working for about a decade as a scientist there on these, and you can get a lot of papers on that, along with Professor Bibidhar Saab, who was my teacher also, was a director there at that time. Then all those papers are available on this, and you can even look into that. Then convergence measurement, that was held in 1992, that international conference by CMRS at that time when we were there in Dhanbad. Convergence measurement in the chalk shields are carried out in every shift, as I told, and then after every shear cut, every cut during the periodic waiting. Proper measurement of this closure, either it can be done by even a simple scale. Otherwise, also we have done some exercise in Ministry of Mines, maybe 20 years back, along with some electronics engineers as our co-investigators, like our Srinivasulu and our Shivakumar and all. Why I'm telling the names is when you write the names, you will get a lot of information of our papers or some reports, whatever, about the agencies. Now, of course, he is a professor and principal in Kakti University at present, what we were discussing also last week. Then alternate power supports of middle zone are selected for convergence measurement. Here there is some logic behind this. Why we are selecting? Because now this is something like providing some sample data, sampling. Then how sampling is done? You need not measure everything. You need not take everything, right? When even when our beloved mother cooks the rice, right? So all the rice need not be taken to see whether it is properly pakwan theek se ban gaya ya nahi, right? In NEP 2020, in local language also we are supposed to discuss, which is understood. I cannot talk in Odia, so in between I think that is that should be encouraged by our students also as a part of our newly inducted National Education Policy 2020. So that is a meaning here. That is a sample in the middle of the panel, as in the last but one paragraph I kept here. Powered supports of middle zone are selected because middle of the panel, when this is a total panel, this is a face length and then this is your panel length, this middle portion experiences maximum load on the supports, or as far as state of behavior is concerned, very simple common sense there. Then you consider that total roof overlaying that panel like this, then it bends something like this, giving more load. Now I hope you are able to see this, right? So more load will be there in the middle. So in the middle portion, right? So we select the supports for continuous monitoring. We need not monitor all the supports. And as far as the behavior, strata behavior or strata control technology is concerned, on the barrier side, even there may not be any fall. Even there is a major fall or a main fall, total go filled. When you talk about total go filling, it doesn't mean that go at the barrier is also filling. No, there will not be any filling. Sometimes there may be depending on the shear planes and other things. So that's what happens. So this is the same case even in board and pillar workings also. We select this. When you consider this as a plate, your roof, this is a total roof. You consider this is a total roof, and this total roof, when it is there, now it is a Mota Dikara Hume, right? This is one of the latest in the last month, one international conference proceedings. So I hope you must have got this, or depending on your interest and attentiveness, I used to share so much information to you, only to those who are really interested to contribute and learn more, not to others. Now here, this is the way how this is.
8:30.
Yeah, any problem?
8:30 said.
Very good. Now within 2-3 minutes I will finish it. Okay. So whether it is a board and pillar or whatever it is, we can consider this as a total plate. Otherwise you can take a section and consider it as a beam. So this is the way how you can also do and analyze the strata mechanics, and that type of works were done. Plenty of works are available, whether it is in the books like Dr. T.N. Singh Saab's book or Dr. P.R. Shaure Saab, what he has done extensively. Already I told you, as our former colleague scientist at CMRS. So you can see so many things. Why I am telling these names? You can write the names, you get a lot of information. Then drop in pressure in the supports after 24 hours of power pack shut off are taken during ideal days once in 3 months. This you must have understood, and this is your CEP question. Why this is taken? This last point, whatever it is, why it is done? What is the requirement of doing this? Now this is your CEP question, my beloved students. And now anybody can unmute and tell me who are ready to present, and extra classes and all those things. Why the following required, right? What is that following? That is this. Drop in pressure in the supports after this. This is monitored. Why it is required? Why it should be monitored? Okay. So this you think over, and before the summary, you people can ask. They say this is your CEP1 for today. Okay. CEP1 on 8 March. Meanwhile, CR take over and then start conducting.
Aditya Vaidya.
No, you first give the total gist. These are the total number of students, 64 till now. This many presented, and all these PPTs and YouTube links are available with you, are not available. 10%,
Yes,
20% available.
All the YouTube lectures,
okay.
all the lectures are uploaded.
You hear me first,
YouTube.
and all these things you should be in a position to explain. I am taking 1 second attendance so that everybody will know where they stand and their sincerity, or whether they are fit to learn something more, or that is sufficient. Otherwise, if somebody is rote seekhna nahi hai bhai, anybody. With pleasure and with interest, people should learn. That is what is our Atmanirbhar Bharat. The skills should be developed with that spirit. And that is the spirit behind our assignment, our learning based assignment topics also for everybody. So total number of students, now CR should be able to say what are the total number of students, how many already presented in each class in the beginning, and how many extra classes required, and in consultation with all these people, they will decide I am ready anytime, even at 12 midnight or 12 noon time, whatever you like. Now I downloaded once again. Now you coordinate. If any doubts first. Any doubts? No doubts. Okay. And see the answer 1. Okay, no problem. Now continue with CR. CR to coordinate.
Sir,
itself,
out of 21 students from Tech.
Yeah, any executive PhD scholars also available in this? Anybody? Executive PhD scholars? They are very senior people. Of course, it is not mandatory for them to attend the classes, right? But still, they have been attending. They are general managers. And also, in charges of the strata control cell in corporate levels and had experience of more than 20-30 years as a, there are so many highly experienced people from CMPDI, Indian Bureau of Mines, MCL, and whether any institutions like Century University, Dalmia, JSW. Okay, now take over and then conduct our CR. Over to CR, please.
So today Aditya Vaidya, Vansaj and Gunjan will be presenting PPTs from MTech first year.
What about BTech? BTechs are dead bodies. They don't know how to do. They want to read one more semester. I don't know. Who are looking after the BTech students? Now I could see here Vishal, Manikanta. Vishal, your PPT is over. Manikanta, Anish, Indrajit, these all are absent then. Then Kali Charan, Sunil, Nikhil, of course, MTech side. Manish, Piyush. These are the people whom I could see on the screen. Okay, continue. So only thing is out of that
Aditya,
midsem and assignment, they will be given 0 marks. It is up to them, of course. Already instruction should not be given many times. Continue now.
Nikhil,
Aditya, go ahead with your.
Hello, can I start now?
Share your screen.
In fact, yesterday it was a wonderful way our second years learned. They conducted something like an international conference yesterday that they have given the time and within 8 minutes to present. After 6 minutes they reminded, and then few questions, answers, whatever deliberations on that. So these are the skills that we wanted to improve, my beloved students. And you are in final year and MTech and PhD. You are already experts in this. So you don't need many times instructions. Otherwise you will become the disastrous in minds when you go and work. So that we don't want. So we want that you should know how to understand the SOPs, COPs, standard operating procedures in the mines, and help our industry and our country with Atmanirbhar Bharat. Right? Okay, continue.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you CR to coordinate. He is a chairman of your international conference conducting 30 minutes now, right? So in that way, all have given our Nikhil's number and other CR's number, I think Nitesh numbers also to executive PhD scholars. I hope they must have been in contact with you people so that all can organize, coordinate themselves. Continue. Only in between I will talk, that's all.
Aditya, share your screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing. Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, now it's visible. Yeah.
Okay. So good morning, everyone. My topic is geological factors contributing to strata control problem in gold mines. So let's start with introduction. As we all know that many obstacles or discontinuities have geological origin, and these geological changes in roof, seam, floor lead to coal thinning and loss of coal, as well as increased potential of roof fall. Therefore, understanding common vertical and horizontal changes in rock type and bedding can aid in developing and preparing of seam condition, developing roof support plans.
Sir, before presenting, Anindya, before
Yes,
presenting, you should say what international journal format you followed in preparing your assignment, number one. And number two, what is the latest reference you could see in 2020, 21, whatever it is. And then you start presenting it. You say that and then start presenting it. Okay. What is the international journal format you followed? Because
sir,
these are...
Sir, I have taken the study of Moyes and Ehrenberg, sir.
What international journal format you followed? You know what is a international journal? Some names can you say? Being a final year or MTech student, whatever. Can you name what are the international journals in mines where strata control technology papers you could see? These are the skills that we wanted to improve, not just getting some material copy pasted somewhere here and there. I hope I told many times.
Sir, I will mention it in next presentation, sir.
Continue.
Okay, sir. So some of the discontinuities I have mentioned here are splits, parting, weak shell, kettle bottoms, cold riders, star locks, etc. So let's start with first discontinuity, that is the clavines. So what are clavines? So clavines are formed from clay, from roof or floor sediments, demobilized into tension, fractures and tension in seam. The trend is that they are difficult to predict, and the potential roof hazard is that the roof quality is almost get deteriorated completely. As you can see in the in the figure, the clay I have mentioned the clavines with a yellow color, which are generally which are generally get inserted into the tension fractures. And to mitigate this, the proper roof supporting is done via bolting, blocking, and strapping. The roof support depend on orientation of ribs, density, and height of supports. With the cantilever side, as it is mentioned in the figure, the aligned supporting is done in order to hold the strata. Then figure reference I have taken from the support method by Morse and Ellenberg in 1982. Next, we move to coal balls.
At this point itself, I would like to remind you should not explain what was already covered in the class. Number one. Number two, if figure reference, this is not the style of giving. Any figure should be self-explanatory and it should have a proper title, and if it is not drawn by our students or our scholars, it should have a reference not to be written like this. What is the meaning of from, Moabs and this? From is not required. And clavin support method, you write properly this figure, clavin support method, whatever it is. From, of course, that is also one style, but we should have, is it the way to write one side bracket is there, other side bracket is not there? Are you able to see, Aditya? So this shows how your skills, very poor skills of preparing the slides. I wish that skills should be improved as a part of Skill India, Make India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, NEP 2020. Continue now. This is for everybody. Continue. Yes, not only Aditya. Right.
Yes, sir. I will improve it next time, sir. Then second one is the coal balls.
You skip those which were already covered in the class. You say something latest which is not covered in the class. That is what is the mission of our learning based assignments. Continue. Say something new. Keep within the time 6 minutes, whatever. And all other students should ask some questions based on whatever latest information provided by our beloved students and scholars. Continue.
So next one is cutouts and rolls. So what are cutouts? These are the areas where a coal seam is truncated by non-coal or the non-coal rock masses such as sandstone. So many of the cutouts and rolls are identified by miners are related to ancient river or tidal channels. These can be formed by these can be of two types. That is, first one is in-depositional channel and the second one is post-depositional channel. Depending upon the formation of the channel, they are categorized. This interpositional channel are those channels which are formed. Which are formed before the formation of the coal seams, whereas the post-depositional are those which are formed after the peat accumulation or peat formation. So the potential roof, as you can see in the figure, the cutout is clearly visible with a yellow color, which is truncating the coal mass. The potential roof hazard that it is having is that the roof fall lateral to cutout channel or beneath roll in the roof are the safety concern. Roof fall is problematic where sandstone rolls and cutouts are superimposed on other weak roof conditions such as coal riders and clay stones.
So here Aditya could not get even the time maintaining properly a uniformity in the slides also. He just simply copied and pasted from somewhere. This is illegal. It is something like somebody has eaten some chicken and from his mouth or from his उनका पेट में जाके निकाल के आप मुंह में लेके खा रहा है. That is such a illegal thing, unethical things. You should not do that. Okay, continue.
Sir, it's already 8 minutes for Aditya, sir.
Then go to conclusion. Be
Okay,
within the time. So whatever in between I was telling, because already I told long back, so that others also will understand and they will learn these skills in their lifetime. That is a mission of whatever we made. Not just to collect material as a memory builder. Those people will be useless and thrown into dustbin. Unless you understand the problem and then become the problem solver, whether it is preparing assignment or dealing with any strata control problems, as well as strata control technology is concerned. Go to the conclusion and explain.
Sir, this paper is confined to roof falls
Is
due
it
to
the way
the
to write the conclusion? He has simply copied pasted. He should be repeated. You note down and go to the next. This is 0 marks. He could not come below above the fail grade. 0. Go to the next. You don't know even how to write, how to prepare the slide, even collect the
One
material on the subject. Go to the next. He has to repeat. To be repeated.
One sir, yeah.
Marks now.
Next one.
0 marks now for Aditya. Continue. Other things already I have written here. No latest reference. Unable to say about any international journal. He did so much work for these 2-3 months. That means if he is a strata control engineer in the mines, he will be disastrous. He cannot help his manager or the management or the industry or our country. They are useless people. We don't encourage them. Continue with the next.
Once your slides are visible, go ahead.
You note down it as a to be repeated. Otherwise 0 for these marks, whatever midsem and TA. Next, number 2. I can also skip saying these things and directly evaluating, and this is the way how we will be giving marks later. But I am giving some more opportunities for you to improve. Continue.
Good morning, everyone. My voice is audible.
Yes, one sir. Yes.
Good morning, everyone. My assignment topic was strata control cell in underground coal mines. So I will give a presentation on the same. So
First you say what international journal format you followed, and then what is the latest reference that you could see in India or other countries. That is a number 1.
Sir, I have followed the International Journal of Metallurgy and Metal Physics, and the latest reference was from Australian coalfields and the China coalfields.
Now continue. At least you should know that. Continue.
As the world requires the electricity for its existence and the use of fossil fuels, so coal is the no exception either. According to reports, 50-60% of accidents that take place in underground mines are due to strata control problems. So to minimize the
Now
risk of
you
accidents,
should say more about the latest what you collected. General things which was already discussed in the class, you should not repeat.
oh,
Yes, that
okay,
may
sir.
be there for 30 seconds or 1 minute. It doesn't matter, but it should be the new, what is latest you collected. Now you should emphasize on that. Continue.
Oh, okay, sir. So the concept of strata control cell
Slides not
surface.
changing here. Slides are not being
Okay, sir.
changed.
So this was the introduction, which covers the general part, and these are the strata control problems associated with the strata
Otherwise,
movement.
Nikhil, you take over and display the slides. You may be having some problem. Slides are not changing.
Once try go to PowerPoint
Nikhil,
presentation mode.
Nikhil, you can share these slides, or his YouTube you can play if they are having problems. Whatever. Now this is a skill that I wanted to improve. You yourself as a group should conduct one international event, conference, seminar, whatever, if some subject is given to you. You should learn that skills. That is what is our essence of this assignment. Not just to copy paste something somewhere here and there. Lot of explosion of information is there. If there is any problem, go to the next person.
One such, are you sharing it?
Yes, I am sharing it once again.
Just reshare it once, try once.
Especially those who are from MTech, those who are not with BTech mining background, let me know so that I can understand their limitation.
Is my slides visible now?
Right.
Yes, it's visible.
Yes. Continue.
Now they are
Now it's
changing.
changing.
Okay.
Yes. Go ahead.
So these are the problems associated with strata movement in the underground coal mines. The analysis of accidents due to strata movement for last 12 years revealed that roof and side walls accidents accounted for 59%. All types of strata were involved in roof and sidewall accidents, shale coal, sandstone, shelly coal, etc.
So
And
last 12 years means is it 2008 to 2020? What is your reference? Is this data from you?
no, sir. It is
ये तो
actually
पुराना
some.
जन्म का है. He has not done anything. He has not done anything.
Sir,
When you are showing this as a table, you should have shown with the latest data. This is 2008 जो पुराना जन्म में दिखाता था. Got it? Where is you show the table? Go to the table. Explain the
yes,
table.
sir.
Where is the reference of this table? Is it your own data? आपको कहीं नींद में सो के ड्रीम आया क्या? Like Mithun Chakravarti has seen 2-3 dreams in that brigade. Yesterday he was explaining to see that.
No.
वो बंगाली में बोलता था बहुत बढ़िया से. Before our CSIR president take over, he was explaining about 2-3 dreams. आपको dream आया क्या? Data कहाँ से है? Where from it is?
It is
So why I am
from
telling this is you should learn that skills. You are basically mining or mechanical, civil. What are your background?
Sir, mechanical engineering.
From which
sir.
college? Have you not learned in BTech? At least to write what is information to be provided, whether in assignment or paper. किस कॉलेज से किया है भाई तुम? BTech? From which college?
ज्ञान गंगा कॉलेज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी जबलपुर सर, मध्य प्रदेश.
जबलपुर में नहीं पढ़ाता है क्या? कैसा लिखना भी नहीं पढ़ाता है? Because others I know, but those who are from other college I don't know about them. ठीक है, then continue, because every time why I am reminding this is so that this will be imprinted in the minds of everybody, and in future in their lifetime, in their total life, whether they are a chairman of any greatest company in the world, they should know and they should remember this. Whenever they prepare any figure, any slide, any table, any information, these are the minimum requirements. That skill we learn in NIT Rourkela as a part of our Atmanirbhar Bharat, NEP 2020, whatever it is. Continue and maintain the time. Now I stop giving any observations now. Continue.
Okay, sir.
Based on this only your marks will be there. That's what I wanted. I am telling again and again so that many people fail. Already that happened in the previous semester. Many people failed. Continue.
Okay, sir. So is my
Yes, it's visual.
So the conclusion is goes like this: the establishment of a strata control cell in each company need not to be over emphasized, and mining community knows the importance of it in evaluating, monitoring, and controlling strata movement. Uh, Mining Engineering Department of NIT Rourkela and DGMS conducted number of workshops at Rourkela, Bilaspur, Nagpur, etc. to the officers of Coal India and Singareli collieries to educate the importance and functioning of strata control cell. And mine can assist mine managers to for formulation of SSR, systematic support rules, monitoring strata control measures in a scientific way to ensure efficiency of support system, and for procurement supply of quality supporting materials. This issue can be addressed by proper monitoring of strata and taking adequate control measures in time. Geotechnical instrumentation, although has been extensively used in coal mines, still there is no standard procedures for undertaking the investigation as well as type of instrumentation for monitoring of strata behavior. All the coal mining industry should take necessary steps to equip the strata management cell at the corporate level, area, and mine level, as detailed above, uh, with the requisite manpower. These steps will pay long way to avoid accidents due to strata movement in Indian uh, coal mining industry.
Now our CEP2 question is, what type of developments can be made in preparing the slides? What are the blunders in this? Who can explain? Suggestions by anybody. This is your CEP2 question. Who want to answer? Preparing
So
these slides.
it should be point one paragraph.
Very good. But you tell your name first.
So Nikhil,
Nikhil. Nikhil, yes, Nikhil, right. I appreciate our Nikhil. Nikhil answering. Okay.
it should be
Continue.
in point wise.
Point wise, very good.
Instead of a paragraph.
Next, what other improvements are supposed to be made, at least to fulfill minimum requirement of getting P grade? These are below F. Then what else?
Conclusion should contain some ideas from the student side also. What are the improvements they can have?
Figures to be referenced properly, then tables, and then latest information on the subject. All these things are required. At least 10 years. 10 years.
Okay, so I think, sir, we can move with one more presentation today.
No, one more is not now. Now you plan for extra classes also, and based on that, then our next module and other things we will continue. Okay, and who will be summarizing today? Summary by whom? Is there any executive PhD scholars present here? Of course, it is not mandatory. I told in the beginning itself. Anybody summarizing today what we discussed? Are you able to see my screen? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So today
Yes, sir.
we tried to know the strata management plan. I also used to communicate to you, my beloved students, some international webinars, whether it is GeoLive, where in different countries about the ground control, strata control. Our NIT Rourkela was also a part of it, and where you could have taken advantage of it. Then also even yesterday, as a strata control technology subject, it was discussed in detail by different directors and then very senior officials from DGMS, Director General of Mine Safety. And there I have already shown you some other important issues what were discussed their strata management plan and what type of instrumentation to be done with their objectives. We tried to discuss today, and in monitoring at the long wall phase and CEP question nobody could answer. This question is carried forward as your homework. You have to answer. We start with this answering, and then your additional classes when to be taken. And Aditya presented on geological disturbance, is effect of geological, and he could not present properly that copy pasted material to be discouraged and proper references should be given, and there was no latest reference, unable to say about any international journal which is there. He could see whatever in spite of his busy schedule in helping their parents or whatever the friends and their पोता पोती लड़का लड़की जो भी उनका पैदा हुआ होगा उनको हेल्प करते करते टाइम नहीं मिला होगा. But it is also part of the requirement for your evaluation, and otherwise you are given 0 marks somebody. Now, same thing happened in the previous semesters also in this online teaching learning process. And one such strata control cell, no properly prepared slides, no latest references, not understood the subject itself, even after 3 months of the assignment. And I appreciate some of the students who also used to send their assignments to me, used to discuss with me, get some more materials and doubts. And of course, this is what we encourage from the beginning. And with this now, for today, let us close because your other class teacher may be waiting for you. We should not take their time because now I am stopping recording for today's class, my beloved students. And then what we do is you decide yourself along with all MTech and BTech, all scholars. And I am sorry if you fail. So all these are being recorded, every information is there. There is no other way in online teaching learning process to evaluate. And some people already failed in the previous semesters in the final year. All the best, and I hope you will come out with Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make India, NEP 2020. Now, for today, the lecture 35, you may be needing more than 6-7 additional classes for our other assignments as well as our other class materials to cover, to make you fit to be a strata control engineer, useful in our NEP 2020, Atmanirbhar Bharat, whatever the name you give. And now I am stopping recording. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. बाद में क्या बोलना है जी? All the best.